In today's video, I'm going to teach you about external IDs in Salesforce and how to mark a field as an external ID. Understanding the role of external IDs can greatly enhance how you manage and synchronize your data between Salesforce and other external systems, such as ERPs or third-party applications. To start off, let's dive into what an external ID really is. In the realm of Salesforce, an external ID is essentially a custom or standard field designed to hold unique identifiers from outside systems. Imagine it as a bridge, creating a vital link between your Salesforce records and their corresponding records elsewhere. This feature becomes incredibly beneficial for ensuring that your data exchange and synchronization processes are efficient, thereby making your data management tasks much more seamless and effective. Now let's talk about how you can mark a field as an external ID within Salesforce. First, you'll need to navigate to the gear icon located on your Salesforce interface. Give it a click and select Setup. This action will guide you into the main setup area, where you can configure various aspects of your Salesforce environment. Once you're situated in the advanced setup, turn your attention to the Quick Find box. This is an indispensable tool that allows you to swiftly locate Salesforce features without hassle. Type in Object Manager and select it from the list that appears. Soon you'll be directed to a page where you can manage the different objects within your Salesforce org, be it accounts, contacts, or any other custom objects you may be using. Choose the specific object you wish to work with. After you've made your choice, focus on the left panel and keep an eye out for Fields and Relationships. This is the area dedicated to managing the different fields associated with your chosen object. Whether you're creating a new field or modifying an existing one, select New or edit a current custom field if that's what you're looking to do. One crucial point to keep in mind is that not every field type can be designated as an external ID. Only text, number, and email fields qualify for this status, so it's important to ensure you're working with one of these types. Once you've selected the appropriate field type, click Next to proceed. During the setup process, you'll encounter an option labeled External ID. Check this box to mark the field accordingly. You might also want to consider checking the Unique box, which helps prevent the entry of duplicate values, thereby maintaining your data integrity. Next, take a moment to consider setting field-level security. This allows you to dictate who within your organization can view or edit this field. Additionally, you'll want to add this field to the appropriate page layouts, ensuring it is visible wherever users need to access it. Once you're satisfied with all these configurations, click Save. This step officially commits your changes and updates the field as an external ID. And there you have it. A straightforward method to leverage external IDs in Salesforce to boost your data management and synchronization efforts. Remember, setting up external IDs can significantly simplify the integration of Salesforce with your other systems, offering a cleaner, more connected data environment.